guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm here at CVS to show you guys a couple of deals. So these deals start today, the 16th up to the 25th, I believe. So it's a really slow week at CVS, but they are some okay deals. My CRTs were great, but the inserts that we got this week weren't that great. So let's go inside, let's check out a couple of deals, and let's see what CVS has in store for us. L'Oreal Face Care is on a promotion for spend $30, get a $10 extra buck. So you're going to pick up one of the Pure Sugar Scrubs for $12.99. And you're going to pick up one of the Age Perfect Night Creams for $19.49. So the total before coupons is going to be $32.48. I had a $7 off Sugar Scrub CRT as well as a $6 off Age Perfect CRT. You're going to use a $2 off L'Oreal Skincare from our 29 RMN. And there's also one available in our CVS app digital coupons. Also on coupons.com, there is a printable version. And remember, guys, those coupons are all a limit of 1. I had a 5 off of 20 facial care CRT, making the total $11.48. But you're going to get back a $10 extra buck. So it works out to $1.48 for both of them, or 74 cents each. Now, what's great about this deal is that $32.48 will count towards beauty. So you're automatically going to get a $3 beauty buck within 48 hours. Eucerin lotion is on a promotion again for spend $20, get a $10 extra buck. So you're going to pick up 4 of the Advanced Repair 2.7 ounce for $6.49 each, making them $25.96. You're going to use 4 of the $3 off 1 coupons from our February 2nd Smart Source. And you're going to use a $3.50 off 15 lotion CRT, as well as a 2 off of 10 Eucerin CRT. So with those CRTs, you have to spend $25 before coupons. So I met the requirements with $25.96 before coupons. So the total works out to $8.46, but you're going to get back a $10 extra buck. So this works out to be free plus a $1.54 moneymaker. Aussie hair care this week is part of the promotion with the Pantene and the Herbal Essence for buy 3, get a $5 extra buck. And they're also buy 1, get 1 40% off. So you're going to pick up 2 of them for $3.99 each, making them $7.98. You're going to pick up 2 of them for 40% off at $2.39 each, making them $4.78. So the total before coupons for all 4 products is going to be $12.76. You're going to use the $2 off 2 app manufacturer coupon that we have in our CVS app. And you're also going to use the 3 off of 12 hair care CRT. Also in the app, we do have a 50% off Aussie app only coupon. So make sure you send that to your account before you go shopping. So the total works out to $7.26, but you're going to get back a $5 extra buck. So it works out to $2.26 for all 4 of them, or 56 cents each. Paparazzi nail polish is on a promotion this week for buy 2, get a $4 extra buck, and they're on sale 2 for $5. You're going to use a 1 off of 5 Paparazzi CRT if you have that CRT available, making the total $4, but you're going to get back a $4 extra buck. So it works out to be free after extra bucks. Colgate Max as well as Colgate 2-in-1 is on a promotion for buy 1, get a $2 extra buck, and you can do this deal up to 2 times. So they're on sale this week for $2.99, making the total $2.99, but you're going to get back a $2 extra buck. So it works out to be 99 cents after extra bucks. Colgate Total is on a promotion this week for spend $10, get a $5 extra buck. So you're going to pick up one of the Colgate Total 4.8 ounce for $3.79. And you're going to pick up one of the Colgate Total Twin Packs for $6.69. So the total before coupons for both items is going to be $10.48. You're going to use 2 of the $1 off 1 coupons from our 29 Smart Source, making the total $8.48, but you're going to get back a $5 extra buck. So it works out to $3.48 for both of them, or $1.74 each. So I combined the Colgate Total deal as well as the Colgate Max deal together. So the total before coupons is going to be $13.47. The total after coupons is going to be $11.47. I had a CRT for 3 off of 12 oral care, making the total $8.47, but you're going to get back $7 in extra bucks. So you get back $2 for the Colgate Max and $5 for the Colgate Total, making it $1.47 for all items, or 49 cents each. CoverGirl Cosmetics this week are on a promotion for buy two, get a $5 extra buck. So you're going to pick up one of the clean concealers for $7.79. And you're going to pick up one of the twin brow pencils for $5.99. So the total before coupons is going to be $13.78. You're going to use the $3 off one face product for CoverGirl in our 126 RMN. And we also have a $3 off one for eye products in the same inserts. I have a 2 off of 10 CoverGirl CRT, as well as a $4 off instant coupon that's printing out for all of us until the end of the week. So the total works out to $1.78, but you're going to get back a $5 extra buck. So it works out to be free plus a $3.22 moneymaker. Now that $4 off instant coupon, you can print it from the red box coupon center. Okay guys, so I'm back from CVS and I did a total of 2 different transactions using 2 cards. So CVS worked out well. The only issue I had was my 4 off of 10 facial care CRT, but they did push it through. They had an option to override it, and I did pick up more than $20 worth of facial care. So that worked out with no issues once they override it. But overall, everything worked out with no issues. Now, I do have some CRTs that are really rare this week, so I'm trying to bring you guys a video during the week using those rare CRTs that we get to see what deals I can find. But honestly, this week is a really slow week. It's not to go out there and rush and do deals because the deals are just not there this week, but they are some okay deals if you guys have the right CRTs. So this right here, these 3 deals right here was my first transaction, and I'm going to show you the breakdown of that, and then I'm going to show you guys my receipts. So, okay, so for the first transaction, the first item I picked up was the CoverGirl Twin Pencils for $5.99, and I picked up the CoverGirl Concealer for $7.79. Again, this deal is buy 2, get a $5 extra buck, so I picked up those 2 items there. Then I picked up the Eucerin lotion for $6.49. It's going to be the Advanced Repair 2.7 ounce. So those are included in the deal. So the deal again is spend $20, get a $10 extra buck. And then for the L'Oreal deal is spend $30, get a $10 extra buck. I picked up the Sugar Scrub as well as the Age Perfect. So the Sugar Scrub was $12.99. And the Age Perfect, I picked up the night cream, but the other one is $19.49 as well. So I picked up the one for $19.49. So there goes those 2 right there. So that's everything I picked up in the first transaction. And the total before coupons was $72.22. So for that little purchase right there, $72.22 is kind of crazy. So I used a $3 off CoverGirl eye coupon, a $3 off CoverGirl face coupon, 4 $3 off 1 coupons for Eucerin. And remember guys, those coupons are a limit of 4 and there's no size restrictions in those. I had a $2 off for L'Oreal Skincare and a $2 off L'Oreal Skincare at manufacturer coupon. There's also a $2 available on coupons.com. So the reason why we have to use different $2 off 1 coupons because each of those coupons are a limit of 1. So as far as CRTs, I had a $7 off for L'Oreal Sugar Scrub. I had a $6 off for L'Oreal Age Perfect and a 4 off of 20 facial care CRT. I had a $4 off CoverGirl Instant coupon, and that coupon is printing out for all of us this week until the 22nd. So make sure you scan your card at the Red Box Coupon Center in order to obtain that $4 off coupon. And it's good on eye makeup, face makeup, as well as lip makeup. So definitely a good CRT to have. I had a 2 off of 10 CoverGirl CRT, a $3.50 off 15 lotion CRT, and a $2 off 10 Eucerin CRT. So my total worked out to $21.72. I wrote $21 in extra bucks to pay for this, making my total 72 cents, but I got back $25 in extra bucks. So I only needed $21.52 to hit beauty. I have $72.22 worth of beauty items. So everything in this transaction counted towards beauty. So I will get back a $6 beauty buck, making this transaction free plus a $10 moneymaker. Now I'm going to show you guys my receipt. So there goes the top of the receipt. CoverGirl, $5.99. There goes the Eucerin products for $6.49. There goes the CoverGirl concealer for $7.79. There goes the Sugar Scrub for $12.99 and the Age Perfect for $19.49. Here goes all my manufacturer's coupons. And then these are all the CRTs that I use. This L'Oreal Paris is the $2 off from our CVS app manufacturer coupons. These are all my CRTs. And then I wrote $21 in extra bucks for this, making my total 72 cents. And I had a tax of $3.84, making the total $4.56. And I got back a $10 extra buck for the L'Oreal facial care, a $5 extra buck for the CoverGirl, and a $10 extra buck for the Eucerin. Now we're gonna move on to the second transaction, and this is everything I picked up in my second transaction. So the Aussie is part of the sale with the Pantene and the Herbal Essence, as well as the Head and Shoulders. For buy three, get a $5 extra buck. So I was trying to come up with a deal for the Pantene as well as the Herbal Essence. Now the Herbal Essence Buy or Renew, I believe, is not included in that deal. It's going to be the other kind. And the Pantene is the Pantene Premium, I think it's called. And those are really expensive. And then the Head and Shoulders is the more expensive one as well. So I'm glad I found the Aussie in that section. And it was tagged, so I was super excited about it. Because we do have a coupon in our app, as well as an app-only coupon. And I had a 3 off of 12 hair care CRT. So here goes the second transaction. Colgate Max Fresh, which is going to be this one right here. That was $2.99. And then I picked up the Colgate Total White for $3.79. So that's going to be the one in the middle. And then I picked up a twin pack for $6.69. It's going to be this one right here. And then the Aussie, again, is buy one, get one 40% off. So two of them were priced at $3.99. And two of them were priced at $2.39. So there goes the 4 Aussie products I picked up right there. And then Paparazzi, again, this week is 2 for $5. When you buy 2, you get a $4 extra bucks. So really good deal on the Paparazzi. And those are the 2 I picked up right there. So the total before coupons for all the products is going to be $31.23. I used $2 off coupons for the Colgate Total. I used a $2 off Aussie app manufacturer coupon. So make sure you send that to your account before you go shopping. I had a 3 off of 12 hair care CRT, as well as a 3 off of 12 oral care CRT. I had a 1 off of 5 Paparazzi CRT. Now that's a CRT I never received before, so I was super excited about that. And I had a 50-cent off Aussie app only, so make sure you send that to your account before you go shopping. So the total after coupons is going to be $19.73. I used $19 in extra bucks to pay for this, making my total 73 cents, but you're going to get back $16 in extra bucks. So I only needed $6.78 on this card to hit beauty. I have $17.76 worth of beauty items. So that's going to be the Aussie as well as the Paparazzi. So I will get back a $3 beauty buck within 48 hours, making this free for everything. So basically I put in $19 in extra bucks, and I'm going to receive back $16 in extra bucks. So I'm going to show you guys my receipt for that. Really small haul this week, but again, CVS is just, the deals are not there. So Colgate Max on sale for $2.99. There goes all the Aussie products, the 4 Aussie products. So the 40% off took off $1.60. Paparazzi on sale, 2 for $5, so $2.50 for each of them. The Colgate Total was $3.79, the 4.8 ounce. And then the Colgate Total right here, the 4.8 ounce twin pack, was $6.69. As far as coupons, I only had the $2 off coupons for the Colgate Total. There goes the Aussie coupon, 2 off of 2 from our CVS app digital coupons. I had a 3 off of 12 hair care CRT, a 3 off of 12 oral care CRT, the 1 off of 5 paparazzi CRT, and the 50 cent off app only for the Aussie. I rolled $19 in extra bucks for this, making it a subtotal of 73 cents, and there goes my tax. And I got back a $5 extra buck for the Aussie. So again, it's buy 3, get a $5 extra buck. I got back $5 for the Colgate Total, $2 for the Colgate Max, and $4 for the paparazzi products. So hopefully this was helpful for you guys. I will bring you guys more videos this week. So Walgreens definitely, and then another CVS haul using those rare CRTs. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.